Why doesn't the international community want a solution based on Haiti's laws? The Haitian people would like CARICOM, the American government, and the UN to answer these simple questions.
Why would these seven-headed dragon politicians leave the Haitian people in the hell in which they are living? The international community is requesting a presidential council that would completely obliterate Haiti.
We Haitian people must support solutions based on our institutions and our laws.
The laws which our founding fathers instituted.
Article 149 of the Creole version of our Constitution requires a judge to lead the transition. It's the only thing that can work, as history has shown us. CARICOM, we see you. America, we see you. UN, we see you.
The Haitian people and the world see you.
Let us write our own history. Let Haitian laws dictate what happens next. This message was brought to you by the Haitian public and the Haitian diaspora.